Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all my Flipkart Big Billion Days sale haul. So I bought quite a few products for the kitchen and something for the home. So it was not like very crazy this year, but I was expecting crazy deals on books, but I couldn't buy a lot of books. I just ended up buying two books. But other things which I got from Flipkart were all of the kitchen things and home decor things, which I'm going to be sharing with you all in this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon which is next to the subscribe button so that you get notified of all of my future uploads. So let's begin. So I'm going to be starting off with some kitchen products which I got from Flipkart. So the very first thing which I got are storage containers. So these containers, I think they can carry around 1 kg. The total quantity which they have specified is 1100 ml. I think this one is acrylic containers. So I got this one. I got these in a pack of 12 for 749 rupees. The actual price was around 849 and it fluctuates till 1000 rupees. So when I saw this for 749 rupees, I just picked them and I quite like the quality. I'm going to be just putting some pictures so that you can see how the quality is, and it quite stores well. You can store dals, you can store other cereals, rice, corn flour, or rice flour, or you can store even masala powders in it. And this is how the opening is. So it's quite efficient and it's like on the go type of storage containers. So this is my first bite. So moving on to my next product are oil dispensers. I got plastic oil dispensers. I got a set of two, and I don't remember the price. I'll be dropping the price on my screen somewhere. So it's called Mrs. OK oil dispenser. I've started to use one. It's a pack of two, and I quite like the quality of it. I've used the Tupperware oil dispensers for so long, but I wanted to try these oil dispensers, which are like trendy in the market and which are hit in the market. So this one has a quantity of 1 liter, and I think it's very sturdy. I stored my cooking oil now, and I'm using it for about 5 days now, and I quite like it. And these are plastic, so I think it's good. Just keep it away from your stove just for your safety purpose, but otherwise I like the quality of the oil dispenser. My third product is coconut scraper. So I have the normal coconut scraper which you have to sit down on the floor and scrape it. So I don't like that much, and this one is, I think it's very efficient and you can use it on the countertop itself. So this one is a very good buy. The original MRP specified here is in the box is 239, but I don't know, I don't remember the exact price. I'll be leaving that on the screen. Talking about the quality seems to be good. I'll just let you know on my Instagram page if the quality is very fine after some days of use, or I'll put a post on my YouTube channel as well. So next product which I got for my kitchen are these organizers for my fridge. These are fridge organizers. It's a pack of 4, and I think I got it for 199, which is 200 rupees. So I think around 50 rupees each. The quality is not very sturdy. You have to be very careful in handling. It's not very thick. So this is how the quality is, and I've started using one of the organizer. Next, I bought a pack of measuring cups. So it starts from half a teaspoon and it ends to 1 cup. So the quality is okay, and I think that we'll not be using it very roughly, so it's fine. And along with this, I got a spatula and a oil spoon. So these are silicone products. So this is how it looks. The quality is good. The spatula seems to be a little small. As you can see, it's just this much. So it's more like a spoon. So I don't know how the quality is going to be, but I'll let you know if the quality is good. So this, I think I got it. I got these both as a combo. Next is this package which I'm yet to cut and open. So I'm going to be opening it. I hope that this one is microfiber cloth. So let's see how it is. So this is from the brand Gala, and I got a set of two. The original price is 210 rupees, but I got it for a very good discount, I guess. So I'm just going to cut and open it. So this is how the quality is. It's a very big microfiber cloth, and and I'll let you know how it works. And it says soaks more water, easy wrinkling, absorbs dirt easily. So I didn't expect the size to be like a bigger size, but I'm happy with the size, and it's a white cloth, which I'm little bit not happy with because I expected a gray color cloth, but it's okay. So moving on to the next one, I have another parcel, which I have to cut open. So I think that this one are doormats, which I got for my house, a pack of 5, I guess. I'll be putting all of the prices on the screen so that you can find out. Yeah, so these are circular doormats, and it's a pack of 5. Yeah, the colors are very good. I got a black one, and this is how it looks. The quality seems to be good. Only once you wash it, you will know how the quality is. And I wash mats with hot water, so I'm happy with this. There are 5 colors: red, pink, purple, and brown. Purple and brown. I like all the colors because they are dark colors and they suit the house. So this is my next purchase, and I'm quite happy with this because I think I got these for 239 rupees, probably like 45 rupees or something each mat, which is okay, which is quite reasonable. See, I guess. Yeah, next I got these PVC stickers, which seems to be like wood, and the original price of this is 1499, but I got it for 199 rupees. But you always see this for 299, which is 300 on Flipkart, and I didn't realize that it was 1500. So this is how it looks. It looks brown in color, brown wooden table kind of a color. So you have to just open it and you can stick it wherever you want. Like if you have a broken furniture, then you can just fix it with this. I'm quite excited for this, and I hope that I don't waste it. That which I got from Flipkart is this bookshelf. So this bookshelf actually priced for 1100 or 1049 rupees, but I got it for 790 rupees, I guess. And I think it's a very affordable bookshelf. It's not very sturdy. You can keep your books or you can keep clothes, but I don't prefer to use it for my utensils or heavy items. So if you are a person who loves to have books or some decor, home decor, then you can definitely go in for this. It's very good, and this one is of cloth, so I don't think that that will suit utensils. So if in case you are keeping some wet utensils, it will get ruined. So I think this is one of my very favorite purchases from the Big Billion Days sale. Next product which I got from the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale is a rolling chair, which I'm using it for my office. So it's a very good office chair. I got for 3000 rupees, 3100 rupees, I guess. But I don't know the MRP price, because even now I could see the same price on Flipkart, which is a little shocking, but it's okay. For 3000 rupees I got it, and as we are all working from home, it's very necessary that you have an office chair, because you get back pains severely, and my husband is suffering from that, and that's why we chose to pick the chair. So that's the last purchase from the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. So apart from the normal Flipkart sale, I got some products from the Flipkart Supermart sale. So they had some products starting from rupees 1 for grocery. So I just went and saw what all I could get, and I was really surprised because I got a lot of good containers, storage products, mainly fridge storage products, just for 40 rupees or 50 rupees, and it was very reasonable and affordable, and I think it had a very decent discount. So I picked some from the Supermart also. I got 3 grocery products just for 1 rupees. The first one is dal. The second one is sugar, which I got it for 19 rupees, but the original price, I guess it's for 50 rupees or 60 rupees. I think this is a great deal. The sugar is very good and it's not manufactured like 6 months or 6 months before. It is manufactured in 2020 October, which is great. And the dal's quality is also very good. And I got badam, 100 grams of badam, which is for just 1 rupee, but I think the market price is around 200 rupees. I think it's a great deal. I picked all of these, and this is the first time I'm buying groceries from Flipkart, so I think it was very exciting for me. The very first product which I picked from the Supermart, Flipkart Supermart, is this grater. And this one is priced for 100 rupees, the original price, but I got it for 40 rupees, I guess, 41 rupees, I guess. I think it's a great discount. And this one is the cheese grater, but you can use it for ginger, I guess. Also, you can use it for butter, cheese, and I think the quality is very good. So that's the first product. Next, I got these organizers. This is from the brand Master Cook, and you can store it in the fridge. It's a pack of 2, and I think I got it for 40 rupees, both of these. And I think the quality is very good. I'm going to be cutting and opening it and showing you guys how it looks from inside. And Supermart products are delivered the very next day. You can choose the date and time, and you can get the products delivered the very next day. So this is the first box, and it seems like a duplicate of the Tupperware products, which is good. And it's very good and airlock. And these products are meant for keeping into the fridge, so you can store anything inside the fridge. If you want to store your pudina, your coriander leaves and curry leaves, you can put them in this, and it's specified as minus 30 degrees to plus 110 degrees, so it's very good. Next color is also very pretty, and this is priced for rupees. This pack is priced for rupees 95, and I got it for 40, I guess. So it's a great deal. And I was really surprised to see these products in the Supermart because when I saw these products in the normal Flipkart website, I couldn't find these boxes for a very good discount. So I immediately picked these. The next organizers for keeping into the fridge are these organizers, and they are from the same brand, Master Cook, and these are priced for a pack of 2 for 120 rupees. So it's 60 rupees each, but I think I got it for just 50 rupees. So I'm going to be cutting this as well. I think you can store your curd or any other masala powders which you want to store and keep it for a long time inside the fridge. So this is how it looks. It looks exactly like a dupe of the Tupperware boxes. I have the Tupperware boxes in my house for groceries and all, so it's very good. The quality is also very good, and the lid also closes tight. So this is also for the for keeping into the fridge, and this can hold half a liter, which is good. You can pour your milk as well, or else your curd. Very good and happy purchase. Next product from the same brand is the Master Cook. I don't know the exact quantity. It is 1000 ml. So it's 1 liter, and this is for 88 rupees, and I got it for 30 rupees, I guess. Next product I got from the brand Princeware, which is for 35 rupees, and this one is a half a liter box, and this one I don't think that I got it for a very good discount. I think I got it for 29 rupees, and this is how it looks. Princeware mostly they look duplicate of the Tupperware boxes. All of the lunch boxes, storage boxes mostly look like a replica of the Tupperware boxes. So this is also good. Last product which I got from the same Master Cook brand is this one, which can weigh, I think, 2 liters. This one, I think you can store your groceries as well, and you can keep it out. Or if you want, you can store your milk or any other masala powders inside your fridge. So this is how it looks. I think the quality is very good, and it's very huge. You can keep a lot of things inside. So those were all of my products which I got during the Flipkart sale, and I think the sale wasn't so much good, or it had very great discounts. Maybe due to the COVID season, they didn't give you a lot of discounts, but it's okay. We got to help a lot of people. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you liked the video and found this video to be helpful. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and put your thoughts on the comment section below. I'll be happy to read them. I'll be meeting you all in my next one. Till then, take care and stay tuned. Bye.